Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I prepare a very delicious Joha rice kheer recipe. So let's start the recipe and check out what are the ingredients we need. So here I have taken half cup of Joha rice, which is already soaked for 10 to 15 minutes. It is also known as winter rice. It is an aromatic rice basically found in Northeast India, Assam. So now let's move to other ingredients. So I have taken half tablespoon cardamom powder, some raisins, cashew nuts, half cup of refined sugar, 2 tablespoon milk powder, 1.5 tablespoon clarified butter or ghee, milk half liter. So first of all, add ghee to the hot kadhai. So now roast the soaked rice for a few seconds. So now it's time to add milk. And keep stirring. Add 2 bay leaves and bring it to boil. So when it starts boiling, now add sugar and continuously keep stirring. So now add dry fruits and continuously keep stirring in a low medium flame and let the rice be cooked very nicely. So milk is now becoming creamy in texture and rice is also 90% cooked. Now add milk powder and mix it nicely. So kheer is turned to little bit thick in consistency. So it's time to add cardamom powder to give nice flavor and aroma and mix it nicely. So our Joha rice kheer is ready. So let's serve it. Garnish with some chopped cashew nuts. So friends, try this Joha rice kheer recipe. I hope you will like it, and thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel. Until then, take care and bye bye.